How to withdraw money from Fidelity. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of withdrawing your money from your Fidelity investments account. Whether you need funds for personal use or to transfer to another account, it's a straightforward process. Let's get started. First, open the Fidelity Investment app on your device and log into your account. If you're using a desktop, you can also perform these steps on the Fidelity website. Once you're logged in, tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. This section displays all your accounts, including brokerage, retirement, and cash management accounts. Choose the account from which you want to withdraw funds and tap on it to access the account details. Make sure you have sufficient available balance for the withdrawal. Now look for the transfer or withdrawal option, usually found at the top of the account details page. Tap on it to start the withdrawal process. Now, enter the amount you wish to withdraw and be aware of any minimum balance requirements or withdrawal limits that may apply. After entering the amount, tap Continue to proceed. You'll need to select how you want to receive the funds. Options typically include transferring to your bank account or requesting a check. Choose your preferred method and fill in any required details such as bank account information. Before finalizing, review your withdrawal request carefully. Ensure that the amount and method are correct. Once you're satisfied, tap on Submit and Confirm to complete the withdrawal process. After submitting your request, you can monitor the status of your withdrawal in the Activity or Transaction History section. It may take a few days for the funds to be processed and appear in your bank account. And that's how to withdraw money from Fidelity. It's a simple process that allows you to access your funds when you need them. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.